Subscribe to Rajshri Food and click on the bell icon for more updates.
For all you chocolate lovers out there, there's some good news. 7th July is an International Chocolate Day, and in today's episode, I'll be making cake pops.
And so are we!
And they're back. So let's begin. In this bowl, I have 200 grams of chocolate sponge cake that I've powdered and also 8 Oreo cookies that are powdered. So let's mix both these ingredients together. Give this a mix. Into this, next I'm going to add in 4 tablespoons of Nutella. 2 to 3 tablespoons of honey. Let's give this a mix. This mixture is ready and now I'm going to shape them. So, I'm going to give you a portion in your palms. And now you have to make a ball. Shape them into round balls. If you feel the mixture is too dry, depending on the sponge cake that you're using, you can always add an extra tablespoon of Nutella. Let's make another one. Yeah. Show your ball. I'm done.
So am I.
Good job. So we are done with this and now time to coat them. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it and then you can do it. So just dip your toothpick like half an inch in melted chocolate. Pick up your cake ball and poke it in. Make sure it doesn't come out all the way through. And now very quickly dip it in this melted chocolate. So I've taken about 200 grams of melted dark chocolate here and very quickly let's just place it in a glass. Okay? Hold the ball firmly. Did you poke it all the way through? Let it drip, okay? Oh. Dip it all the way through.
That's turning out to be harder than
it looks. Okay, after you're done dipping it in the chocolate, let's very carefully sprinkle whichever one you like.
Can I sprinkle this?
No, just one. Few of them are done and I'm going to set them in the freezer for about 5 minutes. The cake pops are ready and these two are ready to gobble them down. You can even replace the Nutella with chocolate, melted chocolate or even peanut butter. So do try these at home, comment below and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.
Can we?
Sure.